Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. Last time we talked about a couple of key phrases on greeting people. Today we're going to continue on that topic. Now, normally in the morning you talk to people like good morning, in the afternoon talk to people say good afternoon and good night and all that kind of stuff, right? We have equivalent phrases in Cantonese as well. This is exactly what we're going to talk about today. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Good morning. Okay. In Cantonese is 早晨. What is 早 then? 早 means early. Okay. Sun means sunrise, morning, sunrise time, morning. Early sunrise time, it just means early morning, right? So we don't say good morning. Good morning, the correct translation in English is nice morning time, right? But we don't just say nice morning time. We just say early morning. Okay, it is a phrase more on describing the time of the day, but people understand what you mean. People will understand you are being nice. You're wishing people have a good time in the morning. Okay, you don't see the word 好早晨 in here. They don't wish you that good phrase. Okay. All right. Next is you have good morning, and of course you have good night. Same thing. We continue the pattern. We use the word 早. Okay. 早 Tao. Now earlier I said 早 means early. Okay. Tao means rest. Okay. They're wishing you to go to rest earlier. Okay. So that means good night. Have a good night, go rest earlier, and wait for the day to start next morning. Okay. That's why they use the word 早 early again here. Means good night and have some rest. Okay. Now, the next two phrases. Good afternoon and good evening. They are really formal way of saying things, and not too many people will say things like that. But if you have to ask, it will be on. On means good afternoon. Means noontime or afternoon time. On means peace. That means you will have a peaceful afternoon. If you think about it, it's really wishing you to have a good afternoon or good noon time. Okay. So next one, good evening. 晚安. Evening in Western culture really means at night time, like after 6, after 8. That is evening. So they use the word 晚 really means nighttime. Okay, nighttime when you're about to go to bed. On means peaceful, right? And at the end, we combine these two together. It really means you have a peaceful night. Good evening, 晚安. But again, not very common. People will wish people have a good night in this form. People will normally wish people have a good night in this one, 早唞. Okay. All right. I hope you have learned something useful this time. These are key phrases that you can use as you wish. You won't go wrong. You won't offend anybody. I will see you next time. Bye.